An update from U.S. embassies abroad has confirmed when visa interview wait times are expected to return to normal. As we discussed in my last video, the U.S. government recently announced that they are returning to pre-pandemic visa processing levels around the world. But many of you pointed out that you have been waiting for months or even years to have your interview scheduled. And recent visa backlog numbers from the National Visa Center still show little progress. Fortunately, U.S. embassies have released an estimate of when they expect these wait times to return to normal, as well as which types of cases they will focus on, so stay tuned to find out. And if this is your first time on my channel, be sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications for regular immigration news updates. If you would like my help on your case, call our office to schedule a case evaluation at 212-248-7907. So how long will it be until U.S. visa wait times return to normal? This is a difficult question to answer for everyone because the situation is different in each country. However, when embassies in locations with a large backlog of immigrant and non-immigrant applicants, such as Mexico, India, and China, make a public statement about their priorities, there is a good chance that other countries will also follow suit. On Thursday, a senior U.S. embassy official in India announced that they are shifting their priority from issuing student visas to reducing the wait time for non-immigrant work visas in the H and L categories. This includes H-1B visas, B-1 business visas, B-2 tourism visas, and visas for shipping companies and airlines. They also said that the U.S. will focus aggressively on applicants who are renewing their visas before turning to first-time applicants, and that priority will be given to H-1B visa holders in the U.S. who want to visit family back home. Most importantly, they said they expect the wait time for visa renewals that do not require interviews to drop significantly over the next 9 months, and wait times for all U.S. visas to approach normal by mid-2023. So does this mean U.S. visa interview wait times will reach normal in your country by the middle of next year? Not necessarily, but we know that the State Department has doubled their hiring of U.S. Foreign Service personnel worldwide in order to conduct more visa interviews, and that they are forecasting a return to pre-pandemic visa processing by 2023. They also have resumed visa interviews at 96% of embassies and consulates that are no longer using COVID as an excuse for delays. So chances are good your local U.S. post will have a similar deadline for reducing their backlog. As I explained in another one of my videos on visa interviews, you can check embassy websites and the non-immigrant visa wait time tool on the Department of State website to get an idea of the wait time you might be facing. U.S. embassy officials in India recently mentioned that the wait times forecasted by the non-immigrant visa appointment tool will be shorter than what you see. So you might be able to anticipate a shorter timeline rather than a longer one. And if your wait time is simply too long and there's no way to expedite your case, the Department of State also recently encouraged applicants to travel to another embassy or consulate with a shorter wait time if possible. A lot of you recently asked me how to do that. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications because I will make a video explaining how to transfer to another location soon. And if you didn't see my previous video covering the new update on visa interview wait times worldwide, I'll include a link to that here. In it, we do take a look at the recent announcements from the State Department about the visa backlog as well as the latest data on wait times. Click here to watch this video next, and I'll see you there.